This is the story of Floria B. Atwood. Floria B. Atwood was born Floria Biola Walker on November 1st, 1920, in Anguilla, Mississippi. She was the fourth of five children. Her parents were Sam and Lizzie Walker. Floria grew up during the Great Depression. She also was affected by the Great Mississippi Flood of 1927. She lived in Shelby, Mississippi, and then Memphis, Tennessee, where she would complete her schooling. She was a graduate of Booker T. Washington High School. She was the only one in her immediate family to finish high school. Floria moved to St. Louis, Missouri in 1946. She married Vernon Atwood. She had a son named Otis. In 1974, Floria became a grandmother when Otis's daughter, Nicole Hentz, was born. Floria was employed at a few different companies before finding employment at her longest job, the U.S. Postal Service, from which she ultimately retired. Her husband, Vernon, also worked for the U.S. Postal Service. When Floria wasn't at work, she was an active member of her church. Her husband, Vernon, died in 1998. Floria died in 2012 at the age of 92.